Today we are looking at phrasal verbs. How many of these do you know? Get into. To become interested in. I'm really getting into running. Brush up. To improve your skills. I need to brush up on my Spanish speaking. Come forward. Volunteer yourself for a task. No one has come forward to help me with the party next week. Hang out. Spend time. I love hanging out with my friends. Take over. To take control of something. There has been a new boss taking over at work this week. Try out. Something new or different. I would like to try out rollerblading. Come down with. Begin to suffer an illness. I think I'm coming down with something. I feel terrible today. Grow up. Grow from a child to an adult. The countryside is a great place to grow up. There is lots of wonderful places to play. Bring up. To raise children. I would like to bring my children up by the sea. Look up. Respect. I really look up to my parents. They are very clever and very kind. Bring out. Emphasize something. My parents do bring out the best in me. Count on. Rely on someone or something. I can always count on my best friend to be there for me. Stand by. Help and support. I will always be there to stand by my best friend. Stick up. Support somebody in an argument with others. When we were at school, I always used to stick up for her when bullies were unkind. Take after. Be similar to your parents. People say I take after my dad. I think that's true. Crack up. Laugh. My friend is so funny. I always crack up when she tells jokes. Getting on. Becoming older. I am getting on a bit now. Settle down. Staying in one place. I think it's time to settle down somewhere beautiful in the countryside. Talk over. Discuss in detail. I've just applied for a new job, but I'm not sure about it. I will have to talk it over with my friend. Taken with. Interested in something. I'm really taken with the new book I'm reading. It is so awesome. Stay up. It is so awesome. I am staying up all night reading it, and I just can't put it down. Write up. Write something you have planned to write. I have to finish writing up that essay by tomorrow. My homework is due in the morning. Took up. Started something such as a new hobby. Last week I took up rollerblading. What a mistake that was. Put aside. Save something for future use. I'm going to put aside a bit of money every week until I have enough to go on holiday. Put out. Issue, release or broadcast something. When I finish my book, I will put it out for everybody to read. Set up. Start, establish, create something. I am thinking about setting up a blog. Help out. Do something to make something easier for someone. I am going to help out my friend tomorrow. She is moving house. Work out. Think about until you understand. I need to work out that maths problem. It is difficult. Trip up. To cause problems. These phrasal verbs do sometimes trip up English learners when they arrive in the conversation. Turn up. To be found somewhere. I thought I was all alone at the party, but then my friend turned up. I was pleased to see her. Stand out. To be easily seen. When I go running in the morning, I wear special high-vis vests so that I stand out and that I don't get hit by a car. Put off. To lose interest or enthusiasm. The rain sometimes puts me off when I go running. I prefer running when it is dry and sunny. Come from. Someone's place of birth or residence. I am from the UK, but now I live in New Zealand. Give up. Stop trying to do something. I think I should give up smoking. I've been trying to for years. Come across. To appear to be a certain way. My new boss comes across as nice, but really I don't trust her. Check out. Look at. Check out the new shop in the high street. There's some wonderful dresses in the window. Figure out. Think about until you understand. I really need to figure out the problem that I am trying to work out at the moment. It is keeping me awake at night. Take on. To do something. I am very bored at work at the moment. I need to take on a new challenge. Take down. Right. I wish I'd taken down the phone number. Of course, I don't remember it. Holding back. To make something difficult to achieve. Once you've been practicing English for a while, there will be no holding you back.